cylinders, cones, and spheres. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has two faces and no vertices or edges. These castle towers are shaped like cylinders. This is a cone. A cone has one face, one vertex, and no edges. The tops of these castle towers are shaped like cones. This is a sphere. A sphere does not have any faces, vertices, or edges. The tops of these flagpoles are shaped like spheres. We can use what we have learned about cylinders, cones, and spheres to follow these directions. Name the first shape in the row. The first shape is a cylinder. Describe it. A cylinder has two faces and no vertices or edges. Compare it to the shape of the other objects in the row. Put an X on the shape in the row that is different.